So as someone that likes super thin minimalistic clear cases, especially to show off the beauty when you have the different colors of these devices, I was pretty bummed that every iteration that I found of a clear case that offers MagSafe had to have that white ring on the back. I'm just not a fan of it. Aesthetically, it's not my favorite design choice, but I did find it's the Pill super thin case, and this one is gonna be for the 13 Pro Max. So today's video, we're gonna go ahead unbox it as Pill is advertising that MagSafe devices should just work through it because of how thin the case is. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the test. This is the Pill case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So here we are with the Pill super thin case for the 13 Pro Max. So again, super minimalistic, super thin, clear case. You got pretty much the company's origin and history there, which is a pretty nice touch to add to their box. Also, you got some instructions on how to install it if you need help. Obviously, it's just a clear case, so you should be good to go. Asking you to leave a review there on the case, so definitely do that if you pick one up and you like the case or want to give some good feedback, whatever the situation may be. And as you can see, this is a really thin case, which is why I kind of was interested in it, as I'm not a fan of super bulky or anything in terms of cases. I don't normally drop my phone, so I'm not really worried about having something super bulky or whatever the case may be. Now you can kind of see the lip here. I'll try to get that as close as I can. You can see the lip that this particular case has. My camera will focus. There you go. So you can see the lip. Now keep in mind, I do have a screen protector on my device. So if you don't, you're gonna get a little bit more lip than what I have here, but it is enough to where if you put the phone down, you don't have to worry about it, being directly on the front glass. So that's nice. Also, in terms of that camera, you do have a nice protrusion there. So you can see right there, that is protruding a nice amount, so you don't have to worry about your camera lenses falling directly on the table or whatever the case may be. So that's good. Now let's talk about these ports and these cutouts. So in terms of getting to them, even me, someone who has no nails, you can see I can get right to it with no problems. Volume rocker, nice and tactile, don't feel mushy in the slightest. Power button is the exact same. Don't feel mushy in the slightest, yo. Really feeling this case. Also, if you come down here, a nice little touch. With most cases, what you'll see is when it comes to the speakers at the bottom, they actually machine a cutout for the speakers. But what Pill did here, they actually went ahead and machined the individual holes, and you'll see they line up perfectly with the case. I think that that's a really dope touch, and I know that they're not gonna get a lot of credit for that. People don't pay attention to stuff like that, but like I said, I love to call out and praise little details like that. And you also can kind of see the case has that little dotted pattern as well to protect it from yellowing, that kind of thing. So super dope. Now, the main reason I was interested in this super thin clear case specifically is because from what Pill is saying and what they're advertising, this particular case is thin enough that MagSafe devices or accessories should work through the case. That's never happened with any thin clear case that I've ever used in the past, but I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. So we bought our trusty Spigen MagSafe wallet. Now again, as I said before in the previous video, this isn't necessarily the strongest in terms of MagSafe protection, or not MagSafe protection, in terms of MagSafe grip, like the actual magnetic strength. I want to say that the Pataka one is a little bit stronger. So we'll go ahead and throw this on, and you can see it's like ever so slightly magnetized, but I honestly wouldn't count on this to hold my device. It's not going anywhere right now, but obviously if I shake it, it is gonna come off. So like I said, personally, not much of a fan in that regard. It doesn't feel like it's on there very tightly. And then let's see here. So I will bring in the MagSafe mount. I'm gonna lock that in, and you can see this is a substantial more kind of magnetized and grippy feel over the Spigen wallet. This, I actually don't feel like the device would fall. You can see me sitting here shaking it. It's not falling off, no issues with that. Clicks right in place, so that's good as well. So like I said, for my mount, no issues, but you guys saw when it came to the wallet, obviously it didn't stick the best. So just be mindful of that if you're gonna pick up one of these cases. So like I said, overall, pretty dope case. I am a little bummed that the Magsafe isn't, you know, fully compatible. I would have loved to see it be fully compatible, but it is what it is. Like I said, it's just very kind of meh in that regard, but still a super solid, thin, minimalistic clear case. If that's what you're interested in, they do offer these in multiple colors. So this is the clear soft, they have a clear hard, a smoke black. I want to say that they even have colors matching the actual colors of the iPhones, like a Sierra blue colorway, a green colorway, you know, a white frosted colorway. So they have all the colorways, whatever you're looking for. Definitely go ahead and give Pill a check. I will leave their link down in the description box below. So that was the Pill super thin clear case for the 13 Pro Max, but I want to know what you guys think down in the comment section below. As always, this is Ike's Tech Talk. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.